To start, we need ghee and then sesame seeds, which is the main ingredients, a tray to spread mixture, and then the wax paper to prevent sticking, and then pan. Keep on low flame so that chikki doesn't burn. Okay, so the pan is hot now, so we will add the sesame seeds and roast them well. Raw sesame seeds don't have much flavor, so roasting bring out their nutty taste and aroma. Sesame seeds are rich in healthy fat that support heart health and good source of plant-based protein as well. High in antioxidants that protect the body from damage, and this is a good source of vitamin E. Now, in the same pan, we will add the jaggery and let it melt slowly until it becomes smooth and sticky. Jaggery is rich in iron and helps in digestion and cleans the body. Then we will add some ghee. We can also add some water if we have non-sticky pan. There is a simple way to check if the jaggery is ready. So take a small bowl of cold water and drop a little melted jaggery into it. If it settles at the bottom and hardens instantly, it means it's ready. You can see in the video. Now it's time to add the roasted sesame seeds into the jaggery. Mix them gently but quickly so that the sesame seeds coat evenly. So I have handful pistachios. Put it on the wax paper. So now we have the mixture ready, and we put all the mixture on the wax paper that was ready with the pistachios, and then we will cover it with the one more wax paper and then roll so that it will flatten. After waiting few minutes, just put it out. As we can see, it's ready to cut. Yeah, I can cut it now with a knife, but I will show. Woohoo! My chikki is ready, and I hope you like the video.